2 parenthesis 2 minus 2 divided by 2 parenthesis close. How do you solve this? What should be the answer? Is it 0, not defined, infinity, or minus 2 or 2? What is the answer? Do you want to solve it? Pause the video. Let me know your answer in the comment section. So here we have question of order of operation, in which we first solve parenthesis. Then comes exponents, orders, indices, roots, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So you see, division comes before addition or subtraction. And also remember that within parentheses also we need to follow this order. Now, if you don't follow this order, what you will do this subtraction first. 2 minus 2 is 0, then 0 divided by 2 is 0, and 0 times 2 is 0. Then in that case you will get 0 as your answer, but 0 is not the correct answer, and this is not the way to solve it. First we will solve division as per PEMDAS. So we will solve division. It will be 2 divided by 2, that is 1. You write 1 here, and then 2 minus 1. Then we will do subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1. And once you have done the operation, you need to remove the parenthesis, and then this is 2 times 1. Answer is 2. So 2 is the correct answer.